Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we will be solving question 197, rising temperatures. The way we'll be solving this problem is by actually comparing the table by renaming the table to two different values. So basically what we do is we need to select ID, and the output, even though it doesn't say here when I was solving it previously, you need it as caps ID from. So the name of the table is weather, and since we need to iterate over it by the same table itself, as in like comparing dates, we would take the table and we'd name it two different things, as in we take a copy of the table and then we're comparing it to itself. So we say we rename one table to be weather 1, the other one to be weather 2, and there are two conditions that we need to check. The first condition that we need to check is the date is greater than the other date, so it's dated diff. It would be w1 dot record date, and the difference between these two should be equal to 1, and the other condition you're checking for is w1 dot temperature is greater than w2 dot temperature. One problem that I came across while I was solving this problem is that my first instinct was to just do this. Let me just quickly change this. So w2 dot record date was equal to w1 dot record date minus 1. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm checking the w2's record date is equal to date minus 1, so basically checking for previous date, but this failed in a few test cases, and the reason why it failed was because anytime the date is between the end of the month to the next month, it doesn't really know how to compute these values properly. So that's the reason why we need to use like dated diff. So this is a built-in function within MySQL that can be used to compare any sort of dates, even if it's switching from like Jan to Feb, but this wouldn't really be able to handle that. So that's the reason why you use dated diff. And that should work. So let's try compiling this and see if it's okay. Oh, so basically you need to decide from which table you're picking it. So I think it's w1.id. So the first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So if you have any questions about the problem, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. It definitely motivates me to make more videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you folks in the next video. Peace.